Behold, this is another elevator here at the Henlopen Condominiums. Excuse me, at the Henlopen Condominiums in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. Yep, it's originally Otis, modernized by ThyssenKrupp, and there's another one like. I can't believe there's another one like this. Yeah, and this one has a rear door. See, told you the ThyssenKrupp. Hey, close the door. This one's taller than that one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you're at 8. Hello, ThyssenKrupp Fixtures so much. And it talks too. What are those new babies doing here? And there's a floor indicator on every floor. And those lanterns, like the letter V. Let's go to BR. Now we get our cab. Man, look how tall this cab is. I mean, I have no idea how tall this is. These are friendly security camera. Certificates right there. Merciful buttons right there. Capacity is 3,000 pounds. 3, 2, lobby, and you're BR. Yep, BR is the garage. Let's go on to L and LR. See, originally Otis Lexan, modded by ThyssenKrupp. A few years ago, maybe. You're a lobby? Oops. Oopsie. I missed it. Yep. It does open over there, but doesn't open both doors. Oh well then. Let's watch it close. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.